Xiaomi is releasing its new gaming monster in a few days, but we already have a leaked image of the back of the phone. What's up guys, and welcome again. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing to stay updated on the latest cool tech news. Alright, of course you know what's gonna happen on Friday the 13th. No! Not that one. No, not that one either. Ah yeah, now we're talking. An image has been leaked of the back of the Black Shark, the first gaming smartphone from Xiaomi, and probably the second of its kind, after the Razer phone we saw in 2017. Well, it doesn't look ordinary, that's for sure. It has this bulky, alien-looking design, black and green like the Razer phone, and there is this attachment that clips on top. If I'm not mistaken, this is for the gaming controller, and there should be another one for the bottom as well. If this phone looks bulky, does this mean it will have something crazy like a 5000 mAh battery? We'll see. Looks like a dual camera and a flash, and what seems like an empty space here could be a capacitive fingerprint scanner. Well, unfortunately we don't have a picture of the front yet. I will surely show you if it comes out before launch. But anyway, it's supposed to have a 120Hz 18:9 Full HD Plus display. And for those who don't know what the higher refresh rate like the 120Hz means, well, it will allow for smoother gaming experience. The front will have rounded corners, as shown in this official Xiaomi teaser. It looks nicer than the Razer phone's blocky corners. And this writing means born to compete. We also expect top-of-the-line specs like the Snapdragon 845 and the 8GB of RAM, which allowed the Black Shark to score an impressive AnTuTu score of 270,680, which is about 5,000 points more than what the fastest Android phone yet, the Galaxy S9 Plus, scored. So that's all for today guys. Feel free to share what you think with me down in the comments. I would be happy if you press that like button as well. Thank you a ton for watching, and I'll see you next time.